Ever been in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach growls? It's like your belly just announced a dinner party. But why does this happen? Well, it's not just hunger. It's your body's way of saying, hey, I need some fuel. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your stomach. This triggers contractions, making those growling sounds. It's called borborygmi. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the kicker. It can happen even if you are not starving. Stress, digestion, or even just thinking about food can trigger it. So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. Embrace it and maybe grab a snack. Want to learn more fun facts? Follow for more.